All right, y'all. So this is another area. This is another way you can get your vitamin D from the sun. Enjoy, Mother Earth, and get a workout. So y'all see, first of all, if you can see down that hill or down that street, it's very like that. So I just came up it. So right away, just getting a good leg workout or cardio, whatever you want to name it, however hard you want to come up the hill. I just was strolling because I'm about to go over here and give you guys this next workout. Now this time, it's at just a regular park. I'm sure wherever you live, there's a park somewhere, and you can utilize those pieces of equipment and get a crazy workout. So, okay, so right away when I'm walking up, I'm like surveying the area, trying to see what can be used as pieces of equipment, okay? I was hoping there's some monkey bars over here. Not that I'll be on them long, but at least if we could start out there. And I don't see any. What kind of park don't have monkey bars? I thought that was like a code enforcement. Damn, there's no monkey bars. Okay, spotted something. This is a good spot. Several reasons, not only the park bench, but you see it's so shaded. Because right now it's definitely in the 80s. I didn't even want to look because then I might have got discouraged. So, push up. Try to be straight. Perfect slant if you can. Okay, just for mobility, stability, hold it tight. Always align your body real nice as much as you can. Shoulders back. And we just gonna do curls.